grades, expectations, deadlines. Kaya mo pa ba? That's the question we ask ourselves every day. For students like us, that's a lot. Pressure to get good grades, to fit in, to always look fine, even when we're not. Sometimes, we smile in front of everyone, but deep inside, we're barely holding it together. That's why we're advocating for Mental Health Matters. It reminds us that it's okay not to be okay, that it's okay to take a deep breath and just rest. In this vlog, I'll be sharing the story of one of our subscribers. Someone who's been through bullying, academic pressure, stress, and anxiety. Her story may not be easy to tell, but it's something every student needs to hear.
Ashley, kamusta ka na? Uy! Ashley?
Ha? Ano? Okay lang naman ako.
Kuya Shik, okay ka lang?
Oo, kaya
Hindi na ako gumagawa eh.
She's fine. She's just being a perfectionist. So, group hangout mamaya. Sama kayo, guys.
Sige.
So, ikaw, Rashika, sama ka ba?
Sorry ha. Madami kasi akong gagawin mamaya.
Okay. Grabe, puro ka na lang pagod. Laban lang, Ra.
Kaya nga, magpahinga ka naman minsan.
Ay, she's fine. Magbida-bida lang yan eh.
Bakit parang lahat? Ang dali lang sa kanila. Ako lang ba yung nahihirapan? Hindi ko na alam kung kaya ko pa to. Legit, nakakapagod. Hindi ko na alam sino kakausapin ko. Parang
For
ako
many
lang
students,
mag-isa ha.
This is what we don't see. The silent battles behind tired smiles. Stress, anxiety, burnout. They're not just words. They're the weight some of us carry every single day.
Nag-aalala na rin talaga ako para kay Ashik.
Ako nga rin eh. Kasi ang tahimik ni Ashik. Akala ko okay na siya. Pero yun na rin pala yung sinyalis na may something sa kanya.
Oo nga eh. Tinanong ko yan siya dati kung kamusta na siya. Sabi niya, okay lang daw siya.
Di ko naman sa sinasadya, pero minsan yung salitang sinabi ko pala sa kanya ay fine lang pala siya. Mas nakakasikip pala kaysa sa nakakatulong sa kanya. Ngayon ko na na-realize din, and mali ko yun, that we need to listen, not just hear someone.
Sometimes, healing starts with one simple,
Shika?
being understood.
Shika, I'm so sorry talaga. Hindi ko talaga alam na ganito pala yung kabigat yung dinadala mo.
Okay lang. Ano kasi eh. Legit na natakot ako magkwento sa inyo. Natakot ako na baka di nyo rin naman ako, papakinggan.
Alam mo, Rashika, di ka nag-iisa. Lahat tayo may pinagdadaan. At di mo kailangan to pagdaanan na mag-isa. I'm always here for you. Okay. It's okay.
Rashika's story reminds us that sometimes the people we think are fine are the ones silently falling apart. Mental health isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So if you're struggling right now, remember that you're not weak for feeling lost, tired, and anxious. You deserve rest, you deserve help, and most of all, you deserve to be heard.
Let's end the stigma. Let's start the conversation. And let's remind each other it's okay not to be okay.